What's up, everybody? Quick tip on how to get fit. A lot of people out there will scam you, okay? I know you guys know that, but just a reminder, a lot of people out there are selling all these products that don't fucking work, right? What happens? They start taking this product, all of a sudden, they're like, yo, I could sell this, bada boom, right? Meanwhile, they know nothing about the body, absolutely nothing about the body, nothing about how things work, nothing about the science, nothing about how to do the workouts, nothing about how to customize it for people. Some people have injuries. They don't know squiddly squat about nothing. They're still selling all these damn products, right? It's like, what the hell? How are these people still falling into the same trap? But you know what it is? You know why people still keep buying these products is because they're desperate. They're desperate to find the solution. So what are they doing? They're preying on these poor people that have no idea what to do or how to start, right? So they're just taking your money. They're taking advantage of you because they know that you're desperate to find a solution, and they're promising you something that isn't true. So guys, do your research. Look at this person's credibility. How many lives has this person been able to change? How many people has this person been able to help? Have they been able to help themselves, right? Because it's very different. It's very easy to only lose 10 pounds. Let me tell you something. If you're eating chips 5 days a week and you go from 5 days a week to only 3 days a week, you're going to lose weight, right? But are you going to look the way you want to look? And can this person teach someone else that knowledge on how to maintain a healthy, fit lifestyle for the rest of their life? Not just 10 pounds, right? So it's almost like finding a good mechanic. Do your research. Don't get scammed. Don't feed into the desperation. I was there. I know how that feels. But you have to find someone that's going to take you to the top. Not just someone that's selling some products that is put a little bit of this, put a little bit of that, but if you drink this, but if you put this on your face, but if you do this, but if you wrap yourself in that, none of that shit works. Trust me. Take it from me, right? Keep your pockets full and get to the top.